What's up, everybody? Arty84 here, Wicked Explorers. We're checking out another brewery here. We are in Amesbury, Massachusetts at the Barewolf Brewing Company, I believe. And we're gonna go check it out. Have a flight, if available. Sample some beers, take some pictures, check the place out, and go from there. So, stay tuned. Alright, so that was the Barewolf Brewing Company in Amesbury, Massachusetts. Pretty big inside, actually. It was bigger than I thought. It's like an old warehouse, or I should say warehouse. It looks like an old factory. All these buildings over here look like they were like maybe shoe factories back in the day, or some kind of plants. You got the big, thick wooden beams, big open spaces, you know, exposed ceilings and stuff like that. They got like the factory looking like windows and stuff. But it was actually pretty big. There was like one, you can get into the back, which I didn't know. I walked all the way around, and you go up the stairs, and there's like a little pool room with a couch and stuff, and you drop back down, and there's like the main area where you get the beer, and then the brewing stuff's in the back left, and then there's a couple other rooms, and it was actually pretty packed today too. So I had to wear a mask to order, but you know, they'll probably be going away pretty soon. But yeah, I had a beer called the Coconut Snack. It's pretty good, high alcohol, very tasty. I like my coconut beers, so yeah, check it out. Barewolf Brewing Company here, Amesbury, Massachusetts. Just Google it, you can find it. It's probably like 5 minutes from the highway, so there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a comment below. Also hit the like so we know that you're watching the videos. Thank you guys.